aspiring affiliate marketers, CPA affiliate marketers, newbies, especially that are in this space and wanting to generate their first commission with affiliate marketing, CPA affiliate marketing, then you are at the right place. My name is Demetrius, and I'm going to be your coach and mentor inside CommissionOS, which is a system that is going to help everybody that takes part and follows the steps and software to help you generate your first leads or commissions with affiliate marketing with CPA mostly. This is revolved around CPA affiliate marketing. I know this is something that a lot of new people coming into the space need this, and this is why I built the system for you to help you with this journey. And it's going to be based on free traffic, and there will be paid traffic as well. But basically, this motivation is to help you understand that whatever I'm teaching will work for you as well. This is an example of my dashboard inside V, and it's a platform where I'm finding offers, where from these offers, I get my links and I send traffic to, and I make money from generating leads, conversions, etc. Okay, so basically, I've been running a few campaigns using a system and method with free traffic, paid traffic, testing the whole place for a long time now. And because of the power of AI, I was able to basically figure out a quicker method and also build a system behind it to help you generate these leads or commissions that you might want to take part of. Now, this is something that I've been working for a long time. However, it's been working for me on a continuous basis since I've actually put my energy and started building. Now, I've been doing all this with the power of basically my software that I built called CommissionOS, which whoever makes this decision to come in, you will understand how the software works, but it's made for the newbie and also advanced, but to help you with your whole funnel building really quickly using AI, and also the roadmap on how to generate your first commissions using my system. Now, I've got everything covered from tutorials to training that you're going to get access to, and you will also have live offers that are going to be part in your system. Now, this is something that I've built with the idea of making things easier. So for example, if I'm in my CPAlead account, I don't need to be in there to get my links. I can do it all from my back end. So while once you set up your settings inside, you're going to be able to come in and find the live offers that you might have. Now, let's say I wanted to pick an offer to generate commissions. From everything that it tells you here, it's what it costs, the offer, the preview, everything is here for you to get. So let's say I wanted to promote this one right here. We're going to be using this offer, and then I give you full information about everything, your links, how you can join the network if you haven't, and then you can go into my AI analyzer will tell you what you need to be doing with this specific offer. So right here, I'm running a deep analysis of this offer. It's all pre-built once you look for, whatever you're going to be promoting. And then from here, I'm going to be doing my journey starting from here. So if it tells me like, okay, this is only for US visitors, it tells you what I should be promoting, the target audience, okay, and then basically what I need to do. So it says I need to build a bridge page, it's a review listicle, and it tells me what to do, pro tips, etc. Now, what I can do from here on out is build the content, I can build my roadmap, but the best thing is building my own page. So I can come in and choose the landing page theme. So I'm doing a modern, let me do the listicle, it said, or let's do a listicle. And then from here, I can also put like an angle hook, and then I can actually put other offers if I'd like. Okay, so we can put more offers here from something else and then put it in the list, but I'm not going to do anything with that. And I'm just going to generate a landing page. That's how fast it's going to be, which includes my affiliate links into these specific sales page. And then from there, I can generate my content, and then it will give me a roadmap on what I'm supposed to do with this specific campaign. So you're not going to be left alone here. You're going to be going through my system where it's telling you what you need to be doing once you've actually built this. It's got a full roadmap ahead. Now from here, I have a site that I built real quick. It's only one, and I need to just basically, use this for now. But I could edit the sections if I like. And then you can come here and let's say we didn't like something in the section, maybe something was a little bit to the left, etc. You can come in and do your editing from inside this area. So once you're done, you can download this. Okay, you can have it, you can test it out as well. Once you downloaded it, you can save the template, etc. And then we can, let's see, we've got the preview, and then you can come in and say like, okay, we've got that, blah, blah, blah. And then from here, we can go into our generate content. So from here, we're going to generate content for this. And it pre-builds everything here. And then you just click on generate content. Okay, so it's going to generate the content that we're going to be putting inside our question reply editor thing. All right, so we can paste a question from Reddit and get a whole sounding reply that you can reply back on Quora or on Reddit. Okay, so this is one part of getting your free traffic as well from using this system. So right here we have post ideas. We've got the Quora answers to questions to answers. We got the Facebook post, Pinterest descriptions, TikTok, YouTube, and everything. And then when we're done, we can actually come in and build my 7-day plan. Now from this plan, I'm going to be following step by step exactly what I'm supposed to be doing for this. Okay, so it's telling me like the optimistic value, etc. The day 1, what do I want to do? We're going to go find the offer, yes, etc. Day 2, we're going to build our page. We build our page content. Then 3, what we're going to be doing, etc. Okay, so this is the whole process. You just go through the tasks and then get that traffic started going for the next 7 days. It's fun to do. It's all done for you. It's about you setting things up, okay? Then we have a CPA challenge where you have your challenge of your day-to-day process, what you need to complete, what you need to be doing, and it tells you exactly what you need to be taking as steps, etc. We have the tracking. There's going to be free tracking for everybody. You're going to be able to track everything if you follow my steps in this tracking mode. Now here you're going to create an account for Google Analytics. You're going to be setting up your links. I'm going to have everything that you need to be setting up so you will be able to track your sales, your leads, and you won't need to pay for any tracking tools that are expensive, etc. You can do this all for free, but it requires you to set it up. So we also have free traffic methods that I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process on what you need to be doing. This is perfect because it gives you tips. I give you steps. All you have to do is go out and do. And I have recommended tools that you might want to use if you want to do things automated, but you can do everything manually. And it's all here for you to go through my steps. If you're a beginner, if you're advanced, it's immediate. I set it up all so you can set this properly. Now, this is something that I think is needed. And once you get started with this and you start following my steps, you're going to be able to see that you're going to be generating commissions. This is another account that I'm doing that I'm generating from Moby Idea. Okay, but my favorite one right now is CPAlead. But it's not that. Inside, you're going to also have so many options of finding offers. Okay, you're going to have from my lead live offers, curated offers, offer vaults offers, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, CJ, or you scan any URL and it will analyze your offer from here. You can there's live all the CPA networks that you can join with tutorials on how to get approved, with steps by steps on adding and everything, and it's all in here so you can find the best CPA affiliate marketing place for you to actually do this. Now, this is made specifically for people that are wanting to start with CPA affiliate marketing. And I've generated this to help everybody. And it's something that I would have been wanting when I was starting out, because this is the overall tool that you need for you to go out and build your campaigns. And it's not just building just pages, but it's about building any type of page, from quiz, warning, comparison, anything that you're doing in CPA affiliate marketing, it's all here and you have full control of it. You can put your tracking tools and custom stuff in here. The building, using the built-in AI that you are required to add your API keys. However, it's very, very cheap. You actually get a lot of free from the free tier. So you can get started without paying anything, anyone. And I also have a method of actually putting these online for free, so you don't need to even pay for domains. All your job is to follow the roadmap and get people to click on your links so that people can actually generate you commissions. Okay, so you can have live feeds over here once you set up your API keys. Once you get inside the actual approval process, it's very easy. I've put the easy ones. I give you all the requirements that you need and all the CPA networks that you can take. I've got tutorials take you from the step by step, and also a couple of videos to help you in general. So this is my CommissionOS system that is launching on July the 17th of 2026. I hope you join me, and I hope you enjoy what I've built for you. Talk to you soon.